Hello, dear student. Good morning. And you know what's your subject in this class? Because this subject is new for you. Okay? Because in the previous class you read the Hindi, Math, ABS, GK, etc. But this subject, computer, is a new subject for you. So please don't be afraid because this subject is very interesting subject. Okay, yes, so are ready to learn compute. Okay, sorry. And your first chapter is the computer system. The computer system. So yes, student, mostly student familiar to the computer. Yes, student. So look, first of all, I will talk about the computer. So what is computer? Yes, student, you have any idea? So computer is an electronic device. Computer is an electronic device. Okay? Computer is an electronic device is a very simple definition of the computer, student. So please learn it. Okay, and how does the work computer? You have any idea? So look, first of all, it accepts data. It accepts data or instruction as input, and after processing it gives result as output. So look, that's input. Input means you just enter any type text, okay, number. So by keyboard is the input device, and then after your data goes to processing for the processing. So processing, and after it gives result, okay, as a output, okay. So input we do by input device, that means keyboard, and processing, so that means CPU, and output, that means monitor. Okay, student? Yes. So this is the definition of the computer. And one things about the full form of computer. Okay? Yes. Because this is a new subject for you, so student, in this class we will go deeper and learn some new things about the computer. Okay, so please attention. So what is the full form of computer? COMPUTER. Okay, students, this is spelling of the computer, you know too well. So C for common, okay, and O for oriented, and M for machine, Okay, student. And P for particularly. Particularly. And U for used to. T for student, any idea? T for trade. And E for education. And R for research. Okay, student. So this is a full form. Okay, so I hope that all students open the book, computer book. Okay, and look, C for common, O for oriented, and for machine, and P for particularly, and U used to, and T for trade, and E education and research. Okay, yes, so this is also one type definition for the computer according by full form. Okay, student, and in clear to all students, please note that. Okay, so no problem having a book. And after we will talking about the parts of computer. Okay, so that's called system. So all students clear what is computer? Computer is an electronic device. It accepts data or instruction as input, and after processing it gives result as output. Okay, suppose you entered the 2 plus 2. Okay, and so this data goes to processing, for the processing, and processing means CPU machine. Okay, and then after processing, so it gives result as output, and your result is 4. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Okay, so ahead we will discussing in deeper. Don't afraid. Okay, so first of all we are looking about the computer system. So how many type system? So look, system, that means parts. Okay, so how many type parts related to the computer? So mostly 3 part: input device, output device, processing. Okay, so look, first okay, student, clear? What is this? This is a monitor. Okay, so used for show the our result. So this card is output device. Okay, and this is a monitor, student. And so look, this one, this is a which type device? So this device is input device. Okay, and this is a keyboard. Clear, student? This is a keyboard, and this is a monitor, and this one is very important things for the computer, because all data goes for processing in this machine. Okay, so this machine is called CPU. Okay, so CPU, this is a processing in this device. Okay, students, so this is the diagram of computer system in so. Okay, clear? So how many topic covered today? First, what is computer, and second, what does the computer, and about the computer parts are called system. Clear? Monitor, this is output device, this is a keyboard, and one very important parts of the computer, mouse. Okay, students? So mouse, this is a mouse. So mouse is also input device. Clear? So please note that what is input device, what is output device, and which one part for the processor. Okay, student? So this is for new topic. Okay, so don't be afraid and just compromise with us. Okay, and you learn to more thing related to the computer. Okay, so you just learn today about the computer, what is computer and how does the work, and learn about the computer. Okay, student? So please read this topic at your home. Okay, and if you need a problem, so please help to the book. And okay, student, then after working computer, working process of computer, this is your next topic, working process of computer. Okay, student, so will going through the working process of a computer, you will become familiar with the term. So what is term? So first, data, and second, the process, and third, information. So all students, you are familiar the computer, not to all, but mostly students familiar about the computer. So working process of computer. So data, process, and information. So three terms for working process. Okay, student. So let's understand this term. First, data. I will take first term, data. So what is data? So understand about the data. So data can also be called as raw information or instruction given by the user. Okay, yes, data can also be called as raw information or instruction given by the user. So who is user? Which student, which person operate the computers? So that's called user. Okay, yes, user is not different type word. Who student, who person, who anybody use the computer, so that's called user. So it can be letters like your name. Okay student, suppose just your name is Aman. So you type the name A and AN. So which one you will use the device? Input device. Yeah, so input device, that means mouse or keyboard? Keyboard. Okay, so you use the keyboard. Clear? I will BOARD. So I will do the enter the data by the keyboard. Okay, so it can be letter like your name, number, like your telephone number or a picture, no problem, anyone. So just I take that Aman name. Okay, so you just enter by the keyboard and this information goes for process. Okay, and a process define what need to be done. Okay? And computer process the data to convert into information. Okay, so this data goes to process and processing convert to the information, and information, that means the result of data entered into the computer and you get after processing is called information. Okay, so this is a information. Okay student, so this is a cycle working for the your information and computer work. So look, so this cycle called to IPO. You know IPO? IPO, that means, look how does computer work? So IPO, that means input, P for process and O for output. That's it. Okay student, yes, this is a cycle for the processing. Input, so you know well about the input. You entered any data by the keyboard, okay, or input device, so that's input, and your data goes to the processing in the CPU, and after process that you get the result in output device. Okay student, so Clear? How does computer work? So first of all, computer definition. What is computer? Is an electronic device. Okay, student. And then after, computer full form. So computer full form: C for common, O for oriented, M for machine, P for particularly, U for used, and T for trade, and E for education, and R for research. Okay, so you will try at home and just learn it and read the chapter. Thank you so much.